Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we would like to present about IMD22 subject. So we are going to present the technical support services and maintenance for information agencies, which is PC proposal. So my name is Nurdi Inisha binti Boki.
My name is Dayanku Inta binti Alang Johari.
My name is Narain binti Yusuf.
My name is Afifi Nurdina binti Amin.
We are from IM 1104A. Okay, so for the introduction, Nawal is a new student in University Technology Mara. Nawal plans to buy a new full set of computer. Her rationale is that she'll be able to complete her assignment. She also needs a large capacity computer that would save her files, so she should provide a good SSD or HDD. Nawal also stated that she would like to have a good sound system for her computer, so she should have a good speaker and a disc burner. Since Nawal is still student, so it will not be difficult for her to build her own dreams of PC based on her student budget. She wants her computer to be able to handle high-resolution graphics for gaming and have a strong sound system. In this case, Nawal also needs a lot of RAM. As a result, the configuration will need a large quantity of RAM to execute the software as smoothly and feasible. So this is the motherboard from Asus brand. This motherboard has the Intel B365, which is a single chipset architecture that supports Intel Core LGA1151 CPU from generation 8 and 9. It boosts speed by using serial point-to-point connection, which give more bandwidth and stability. TUF gaming motherboards leverage outstanding designs, creative engineering, and solid connection with key component manufacturers to provide easy and safe DIY builds. TUF B365 has two onboard M2 point slots, each of which runs at X4 PCI Express 3.0 for a whopping 32 GPS of bandwidth. This motherboard is not only suitable for gaming, but it is also suitable for students, especially for university students.
Okay, so this is the computer case, brand MAG Forge 100 series. So for the first one is the rising warm air will constantly be evacuated with the back and top airflow from the Mac Forge 100 series, contributing to positive air pressure within the case. Third, vertically oriented on the front of the enclosure to draw air evenly across the entire face. Last, can case millions of colors and effects that can be synchronized with a vast ecosystem of components to augment your build or with MSI Mystic-like software.
Okay, so we are moving on to the software. So the first one is we have the Microsoft Word. Word is category in top word processing tools 2020 for Windows. Word also generate files in doc, document, and docx formats, write text, select fonts, colors, and page parameters, add standard graphs and diagrams, and also import image. Words also includes tools for the creation of tables, word arts, and charts. And then the second one is we have the Microsoft Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet program in the Microsoft Office. Excel is a powerful program that useful for create and manage many reports like daily income and expense, students list, employee list, inventory list, customer and vendor list. Excel also can design many forms of reports as you want with many formulas and calculated any type of numbers, and especially can create a graphic with many exciting templates. And then the third one is we have Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a database program that is for Windows from Microsoft. Microsoft Access is a programmable using Visual Basic for Applications VBA. And then the third one is Access stores the data in its own format based on the AccessJet database engine. And Access also have visual objects used in forms and reports, expose their methods and properties in the VBA programming environment. The fourth one is we have the Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere Pro is a video editing program that is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud software collection and Adobe CS6. Adobe Premiere, published as part of the Adobe Creative Cloud licensing program, and Premiere Pro supports high-resolution video editing at up to 10,240 multiply 8,192. Premiere Pro can be used for all common video editing tasks necessary for producing broadcast quality and high definition video. And then the next one is we have the Adobe Director. Adobe Director is a multimedia application authoring platform created by Micromedia and managed by Adobe System until its discontinuation. Adobe Director supports graphical primitive and playback controls such as video players, 3D content players, and flash players. Adobe Director has been used to create applications, 2D and 3D video games, self-running kiosks, and CDs, and DVD launchers. Adobe Director also supports many different image, audio, and videos. And the last one is we have the Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is a raster graphics editor developed and published by Adobe Inc. for Windows and Mac OS. Adobe Photoshop also includes many of the features of the personal computer version, including layers, selection tool, adjustment, and filters. And it also contains most of the features of the professional version, but with fewer and simpler options. And then we are moving on to the hardware. The first one is we have the processor. The processor is a digital circuit which performs operations on some external data source, usually memory or some other data stream. It typically takes the form of a microprocessor which can be implemented on a single metal oxide semiconductor integrated circuit chip. And it has the support for multi-threading, which means it has the support from the operating system for a central processing unit's capacity to deliver several threads of execution at the same time. And then the second one is we have the RAM. And then we have choose the Corsair Vengeance RGB LED 16 GB DDR4 3000 is a form of computer memory that can be read and changed in any order, typically used to store working data and machine code. This RAM has the dynamic multi-zone RGB lighting that brightens up the PC, and this RAM also delivered the greatest performance of DDR4. And then the third one is we have the GPU. We have choose the Gigabyte Radeon RX 5500 XT will provide an efficient heat dissipation capacity at low temperature for greater performance. And this GPU also have an alternate spinning that can smooth the airflow with better heat dissipation rather than the standard spinning, and has a lot of benefits to the users. And it can also reduce lagging while gaming, which was the most demanding things by user and will absolutely fit to the students and gamers. And then we have the SSD. So we have choose the Kingston Hyper Hard hard disk that can load a lot of files and applications with the read speeds of up to 190 MBs with the multi-tier caching technology, which literally more than enough for students or the user for computing. And then the last one is we have the DVD-ROM. We have choose the RWX 8X Multi Ultra Slim GP65NB60 has data protection with MDs, which is it supports because it will retrieve data from a pattern rock-like encoding surface rather than the standard organic dye. And this DVD-ROM, it will make a significant contribution towards noise reduction during playback and by identifying various multimedia and automatically optimizing the playback times to its ideal performance measure.
So this slide is about input devices. So the first one is keyboard. I suggested Nawal choose Havit mechanical gaming keyboard. So it is lightweight keyboard, portable due to its wireless capabilities, and users will experience silent, satisfying tactile response upon each touch while typing or working with the keyboard, as well as a seamless typing experience. And it features plug and play technology as well as removable USB pass-through that can be used to connect additional devices. The second one is mouse. It comes with, actually the keyboard comes with uh, heavy gaming mouse. It is combo. The first one is it is compatible with a wide range of operating system, including Windows, Linux, and Mac. It allows users to easily modify the DPI dots per inch to match the mouse speed for various gaming conditions. The third one is webcam and microphone. Uh, it is also a two-in-one webcam. So I chose the Grow Fast Full HD webcam. It is a great webcam for students to use for streaming, gaming, and producing videos, such as doing a presentation about their assignment. The second one is the Grow Fast camera is fantastic choice if the budget is limited, yet they require high quality professional webcams to make videos, and it have a fixed lens since it has a 360-degree rotating lens. The users could change the lens while using the webcam for conference calls or widescreen video call. The second one is when filming the full HD 1080p resolution, 30 FPS captures clean and vivid image. Lastly, for video recording and calling, two built-in microphones to the left and right of the webcam lens collect sound. Noise in the background is automatically filtered out by the microphone, ensuring that their sound is clear to the listeners and stereo. So these slides contain output devices. The first one, monitor. I chose AOC27G2 gaming monitor. This 1080p 27-inch gaming monitor is very well balanced device for just about any usage, delivering consistently in all key aspects. Because it uses an IPS screen, it can provide better image quality with strong contrast and a broad color spectrum with maintaining exceptional viewing angles. The screen 144 Hz refresh rate ensures seamless movement, while the 1ms response time and variable refresh rate technologies ensures that all users are satisfied. The second one is speaker. This speaker I chose for Nawal, Logitech Z623. with its powerful 2.1 speaker system that can produce 3D sounds like the Logitech Z623 makes gaming on any PC much more realistic. This Logitech Z623 has an RCA and two 3.5 inputs, allowing any users to connect to three audio devices simultaneously. Even though the volume is turned up a notch, the sounds stay clear and undistorted due to outstanding 200 power, 200 watts power. Furthermore, the 130-watt subwoofer's capacity to generate powerful bass will deliver incredible roof-shaking numbers. It is good for watching movies to give a real sounds of the movies. So the that one is headphone Corsair HS35. Corsair released the HST5, their first ultra cheap gaming headset, and it is fantastic. It is, however, entirely cross platform, so users can run it on PC, consoles, and even on phones or tablet. These big 50 drivers produce a wide soundstage. It is flexible boom mic, also produce excellent sound, and it is Discord certified. Last but not least, printer HP DexJet 2755 printer. This printer, also known as HP DexJet 2710 in UK, is a low-cost color inkjet printer for the home office that includes features like auto duplex printing and built-in dual-band Wi-Fi. It could print on photo papers, envelopes, and plain paper up to size of an A4 sheet. It is simple to print from smartphone thanks to AirPrint and Google Cloud Print compatibility, and HP's companion software for iOS and Android is remarkably brilliant. This is a good printer for any student that want to buy affordable printer.
Okay, so this is the price consideration for Nawal's equipment. So for the total of this equipment is 6,286 ringgit. Okay, so for the conclusion, with the computer equipment that has been proposed, Nawaz will be able to select and purchase computer products for her personal uses. Nawal needs high quality computer equipment to complete all of her assignments. We also hope that our recommendation for computer equipment for Nawal would assist her in selecting quality computer equipment at a reasonable price. So this is the references for our presentation. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.